In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile name in Asana. This is a quick but important update to make, especially if you've recently changed your name, joined a new team, or just want your coworkers to recognize you more easily in tasks and comments. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, and you can follow along in your own Asana workspace as we go. First, open Asana in your web browser and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Once you're on your main Asana screen, look towards the top right corner of the page. You should see your profile icon there. Depending on your setup, this might be your photo, your initials, or a default avatar. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This icon is your gateway to account settings and personal details, so you'll use it often when adjusting anything related to your profile. After you click the icon, a small drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, look for the option labeled Profile. This is where Asana stores your personal information that other people in your workspace can see, like your name and possibly your role or a short bio. Click on Profile to open your profile settings. When your profile panel or window opens, you'll see your current display name. This is the name that appears on tasks you create, comments you leave, and anywhere else your account is referenced across Asana. Click inside the name field to edit it. If it doesn't immediately let you type, hover over or select the name area until you see a cursor appear. Now, type in the new name you want to use. You might choose your full name, a preferred nickname, or update your last name if it has changed. Take a moment to double check your spelling, because this is how colleagues will identify you in projects and task assignments. It's a good idea to keep it professional and consistent with how you appear in other work tools your team uses. Once you've typed your new name, many versions of Asana will automatically save the change as soon as you click outside the field or close the profile window. If you see a save button, click it to confirm. After that, your updated profile name should be applied across your Asana workspace, so the next time someone assigns a task to you or sees your comments, they'll see the new name reflected.